What's up, BB gang? It's your girl Shavon, and guys, as y'all can see by the title of this video, I'm going to be doing a product review update. So let me see, I have the video on my phone so I can be accurate. So about 5 months ago, it says 5 months ago, okay, about 5 months ago, I did a skincare review on this skincare line. It's called Palmer's Skin Success. Palmer's Skin Success. I did a review on that product. And in that video, sorry guys, I just woke up. And in that video, I did a review on their Skin Success Fade Milk, which is like a body lotion to like fade the dark hyperpigmentation, you know, spots on your body. I did a review on their toner, the acne cleansing bar, and the anti-dark fade cream for your face. So I did a review on those 4 items. I picked those 4 items because I have like very high pigmentation around my face. I think I talked about it in the video, around my mouth and around my eyes, and a little bit like right here on my cheeks. I talked about it in the video. So this video was requested by a few of our subscribers. They wanted to get an update of the product, how it was doing for me. So guys, I don't know if I explained it, but I have very sensitive skin. So anything that goes on my face will react to it. If it doesn't like it, it's going to react badly. If it does like it, it's going to react amazingly. So guys, I did the cleansing bar. I don't remember if I said in that video that I liked it or anything, but I believe the first try it was okay. It was okay for me. But the second try, guys, I'm just gonna let y'all know I did not like this product at all. It reacted to my skin poorly because I have sensitive skin, so anything that goes on my skin, that's, you know, my skin is gonna react. So it reacted in a bad way. The cleansing bar, it dried my face out. I don't remember if it's supposed to dry your face out, like take all the oils and dirt and stuff out. That's probably what it's supposed to do. But it dried my face out. When I did the toner, when I put the toner on my face, it looked like my skin was gonna start peeling. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, it feels like if I was to rub my forehead like this, or like my face or whatever, like it looked like I was in the desert for like 50 years, y'all. Like, it dried my face out. My skin was cracking. So I put like the moisturizer on. I put a lot of the moisturizer on my face, and that just, it put a layer of moisture on top of it, but it was like behind my skin. It felt like it was behind my skin, like the moisture was behind my skin, if that makes sense. I don't know if that makes sense, y'all, but it was still dry, guys. I did not enjoy that facial product. I did not enjoy that cleansing product at all. It was horrible. The first time I used it, it was okay. It smelled good. It smelled kind of like medicated cherries, if that makes sense. It smelled like medicated cherries. Now, as far as the Fade Milk, which is the lotion, the bigger bottle, I continued on using that product because I did see results. I honestly saw results. Like, it wasn't major results, but I don't know if y'all can see, like, my bra line here. My arms is like very dark here, and then like, I'm not gonna show you my boobs, but like my bra line here, it was, you know, starting to get like really dark. So I use that cream for those areas in particular, and for my knees or whatever, for my legs and stuff, and you know, the pelvis area. I started using that cream for those areas specifically. I did see results. I do like that cream. I put it on and I went outside for the day, and you know, I was running errands and everything, and my skin just had like small little bumps everywhere. Everywhere I put that cream, it had like small little bumps. I don't know if that was me reacting to the heat, or if that was the heat reacting to the cream that was on my skin, and then my skin reacted to that. So I stopped using it, but I do still have that cream, and I do still want to use that. So I do like the Fade Milk. I do like that cream. I just don't like the facial product. So guys, if y'all are going to buy the whole product line, well, the stuff that I had, I know about. I don't know about the other stuff. I didn't buy anything else but the face cleansing and the Fade Milk. I do recommend the Fade Milk. I do recommend that. But the only thing is it made me feel like I had like little small bumps. I thought I was tripping, y'all. I thought I was tripping. I had like little small bumps all on my arms, on my legs and everything. And I was like, I don't know if my skin is like tired of this, because I put it on every day. Like every night I take a shower, put it on every morning, I put it on. And I don't know if I was just overdoing it with the cream, if I was just supposed to put it on once a day. I don't remember that in direction, but I think it did say put it on once every day, or no, twice. I believe it said twice for like it to be effective. I believe it said 2 to 3 times a day, so the way your skin, you know, the hyperpigmentation areas will lighten up. So I think I followed the direction. It just didn't, you know, work out for me. So to my subscribers who requested this video, that is how it's working out for me. That is my update on this product line. I did not like the facial cleansing product. I did like the Fade Milk. I just stopped using it for a while because I don't know if my skin reacted to it badly. So I'm probably going to try it again and just see if it was maybe the sun. Maybe I just had a reaction to the sun or something, because it was working. It was working for me. My armpits were getting a little bit lighter, not like drastically lighter, but it was getting a little lighter. My brow line was, you know, starting to disappear a little bit. So it was working for me. I just stopped. And I have another subscriber who asked how to tell the original Palmer's Skin Success from a fake Palmer's Skin Success. I honestly don't know that question. I did my research. I looked up videos. I only saw one video. Someone described it. It was like a little, I'll try to put the video in the description below, but if I can find it, I'll put it in the description below. But she said on the back of the Fade cream, it has like a little orange sticker on there. I believe that one's the fake one, and then the one that doesn't have like the little orange sticker is the real one. I believe that's what she said, but I'll try to find the video and put it in the description below. But yeah guys, that's my product review update. If y'all have any more questions, because I didn't have a lot of like subscribers who wanted to know. I just had maybe like 2 or 3 subscribers who wanted an update on how it was doing for me. Like I repeat again, I did not like the face cleansing product. I liked it, the Fade Milk. That's about it. That's the only thing I liked out of the product line. So yeah guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Like I said, if y'all wanted to know anything else about that product, just comment in the comment section below. I do read them and I do reply to the questions when I can. I will reply to them and let y'all know what y'all want to know. So yeah guys, yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Like this video, also subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time I post a video. Boom. All right guys, see you later. Peace.